So this is my first YouTube video. So I'm planning to make healthy lip gloss. It doesn't do anything to your lips. It just gives it some color. The reason because it's made out of coconut oil. Coconut oil is pure, so it doesn't really harm your lips. And food coloring, which is the second ingredient, well, it just gives some color, and food coloring, well, food is in the name, so you can eat it. So the next material you'll probably want to have is an empty lip balm bottle. There's two more things, but those are just some household objects. A bowl and a spoon. So the first thing you'll probably want to start with is adding a little bit of coconut oil into the bowl. The next thing, take any one of your colors of food coloring and add a drop. Boop. The next thing you want to do is probably mix it. You want to have a melty texture, like it can drip and stuff. So mix your thing, smush it, and you should get a nice color. If you don't like the color, if it's too light for you, probably want to add a little more food coloring. If it's too dark for you, add coconut oil. So now once your thing is as mixed as you want it, you probably should pour it into your empty glass. So you pour it into your empty container, and then you let it freeze in the freezer. Now, the last step for doing this is probably to decorate your container. I like the container the way it is because it's like a trick. Hey, this is some normal lip balm. You say, okay, so you can have it. So that person uses it, but then sees their lips are a different color. And they think it's magic. So I'm just gonna leave mine the way it is, like this. You can paint it any way you like. And that's the end of the video. See you next time. Crafter out.